How to buy on Joyabuy. So first, you just have to simply sign up or create an account. So create an account or log in, visit the Joyabuy website, and create an account by signing up with your email and other necessary details. Number two, browse products. Use a search bar to find the specific items you want to buy. You can search by product name, category, or keywords. Alternatively, you can browse through different categories to explore available items. Next is review product information. So basically, once you have found a product you're interested in, review the product description, the price, shipping options and fees, seller information, and customer reviews. And then next is the add to items to your cart. So if you want to buy, then click the add to cart button, continue browsing and adding items to your cart if you plan to buy multiple products. Then proceed to checkout. Once you have all added desired items to your cart, go to shopping cart by clicking the cart icon, usually at the top right corner of the page, and then click or proceed to checkout. Now enter shipping information, provide your shipping address, double check all shipping details, name, address, and phone number to avoid any delivery issues. Next is select shipping method. And then after that, choose payment method. So you can select your payment, credit card, PayPal, and other online payment methods. Now place your order, track your order, and receive your order. By following the steps, you should have a smooth shopping experience on Joyabuy. Make sure to familiarize yourself with Joyabuy's return policy and other terms to ensure you're fully informed before making any purchases. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.